In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields in DocuSign. To get started, sign into DocuSign and from the main dashboard, click Start. This is where you begin creating a new transaction. After that, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is the package that holds your document, recipients, and signature fields. So this is the correct option when you want to prepare a file for signing. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that your goal is to send a document out for electronic signature. Once you're in that workflow, upload the document where you want to add fields. This can be a form, agreement, contract, or any file that needs information or signatures added before sending. After the document is uploaded, add the recipient. Enter the recipient's name and email address carefully, because this is how DocuSign knows who should receive and complete the document. If the information is entered incorrectly, the document may go to the wrong person or be delayed. When that's done, click. Next, to open the document preparation screen. This is the area where you'll place the fields that the signer needs to interact with. On the Fields panel, choose the type of field you want to add. Common options include signature, date signed, text, checkbox, and note. Each field serves a different purpose, so it's important to pick the one that matches the information you need from the signer. Now drag the selected field onto the correct location in the document. Try to place it neatly and clearly so the signer can understand exactly where to complete each section. Good placement helps prevent confusion and makes the signing experience much smoother. Once the field is placed, make sure it is assigned to the correct recipient. This is especially important if your envelope includes more than one signer. If a field is assigned incorrectly, the wrong person may be asked to complete it. Continue repeating the same process to add any other fields your document needs. As you go, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check that each field is in the right position and assigned to the appropriate recipient. A quick review at this stage can help you avoid mistakes before sending. When everything looks correct, click Send to send the envelope for signing. Your recipients will then receive the document and be able to complete the fields you added. Thanks for watching.